Hi, welcome to Tech Harvest. Today I am going to show you file hierarchy in Linux. So what is file hierarchy? If you are working in Windows, you will know about file system. Same, this one called as in Linux file hierarchy. In Windows we have only one partition under C. We have Windows on under that system 32 drivers like that it will be there. So in drivers folder we have the driver software. So these are the example of Windows system file hierarchy. So what about Linux? In Linux we have one partition called as a root. In root under this one we have all the file separations called like etc opt that and all under the root partition. So this is the main partition called as a root in Linux. So this is the parent directory for all directory. It will referenced by forward slash. So this is the file hierarchy. So here first of all this is the root. Under root home boot etc user opt bin sbin dev process where mount media and lib. So I will also explain about this partition. So first of all we're going to see root. So first we are going to see about root. Root is a directory. Root is home directory for the root user. So if you are logging with root, you can that if you saved any documents like that, it will be going to save under this partition for only root user. So it will be creating working environment for the root user. So I also open Putty console. So I also open the Putty console. So we can see about this partition. So cd dot root. If you present working directory is a root, we able to see what are that under in root partition. So this and all under the root partition. So it is creating working environment for the root partition. So now I close this one. So we'll move next. So home directory, it is a home directory for the other user. If you are creating user 1 user 2 like that, it will be going creating under this home directory. So it is creating working environment for other users other than root. So now we going to see home directory cd forward slash home. List of that I creating one guest account, so it will be there. So we going to cd guest list of that. So it is creating one king environment for guest. This is the use of root, sorry, this one home directory. So next we are moving to etc. So etc contains all configuration file like password, that DHCP configuration, preferred DNS that will be stored in resolve.config and fs tab will help to mount the partition. So now we are going to see that cd forward slash, so etc. Now we will list out. So it will be contained a lot of configuration file. So cron cron it is storing automated jobs, so like scheduler in Windows. So DHCP is there, the first tab. So it will be storing all configuration file under the etc folder. So now I'll exit. We move to next partition, that is user. User is the default software are installed in the directory. User is which was defaultly installed by Linux, that all the software stored in under user directory. So this also now we are going to see. So cd hyphen user, sorry, cd hyphen forward slash user, list out the directory. So here it will be stored all the software. So cd, I already seen there is one sbin folder, so we going to see there any software is available there. So this is under a sbin directory, so I'm going top under again list out. So that is called lib under user. So there is also some software will be there like Python and all. If you need, you can see with ll command. So this and all defaultly installed software by Linux. So we can move to next. So this is opt, this is optional directory for user. It is contains third party software. If you install like Tomcat, Jetty, JBoss, like that server, you can install from opt directory. This is the optional directory. This also used to installing software only. So here I will install in opt. I have one Jetty server. I will show you that. So cd opt ll this. So I have wait, I will show you. So cd, so I have one Jetty server. Java start jar version. So I have that Jetty server 9.4.7. So this is the optional directory. So we can move next. Bin directory. Bin directory, it is contains command. Sorry, it is contains the command by the all user like binary. So shall we go and see that also? cd forward slash bin and list out. So this is contains the command like fuser, grub, gsep, hostname, all the commands here it will be contained. So we can, this all the binary files. So we can close and move to next. This is sbin directory. It contains command used by the super user root binary files. In that folder also contain the same which was used by root user. All the command will be stored in sbin directory. So we can go there also. Cd root sbin. Let's start. So this all the command are used by root user. So like we able to see IP tables commands also. This can only executed by root user, like LVM configuration. Okay. So we can move to next. And dev, this is also important directory. Dev, it is contains all device information which was connected with your system. It will be stored under this directory. So it contains device files. It contains, if you have hard disk, sorry, how it will be showing the hard disk. So / dev HDA, that is hard disk. If you are connected in USB drives, it will be showing dev USB for CD-ROM, dev CD-ROM. So connected, I have CD-ROM. We can see that also. So it not only showing CD-ROM, it will be also showing communication port also. So here it will be showing CD-ROM. We can see the communication port called TTY12. So here SDA. This is the hard disk also. It will be showing. So and also this is all communication port TT01 TTY. This and all communication port. So let's move to next. So next, /pros. It will be showing. It will be contains process files. It contains are temporarily file, not an permanent. They keep on changing. It also called as a virtual directory. Its files contains useful information about like OS information, RAM, swap, CPU, memory. So we also going to see this one. So now we are going to see. So now we are going to see that process information that will be contained under CD pros. So pros. So this also we can short out with LL less. So it will be sorted but not showing just familiar. So just give ls. So now we are going to see about memory information. So for reading vi meminfo, so it will be showing I have 4 GB RAM and free of memory around 3 GB. Here also showing cache and active inactive memory. All the status will be showing here. So I quitted that one, and we also see a first tab here, vi. Sorry, your first tab it is under etc, that is configuration file. So we are moving to next, so where it contains all log files like mail and so we can see this one also, cd where ll, it contains all the log files. So I didn't have any log for mail, so we'll move to next, cd mount. This is the default mount point for any partition. It is empty by default. We'll check this one, cd mount, list out that it is empty only. Okay, then we'll move to next, media. So this also, if you are connected any cd-rom or pen drive like that, it will be here only. You can find cd media, list out. I have only cd-rom, so it is showing the cd-rom. If you are connected a USB, it will be showing that USB. So we can move to next, lib. This is the content all library files of OS. So this and all the library files of the system. So thanks for watching with the so thanks for watching this video. I will be meet with you on next video. If you need to subscribe my channel, go and click on that label on showing this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.